just bought this shop today. We just finished closing on it a little while ago. And it's got 3 large bays with 18-foot roll-up doors. And then up top there's an apartment that's fairly spacious. And then down below are some offices. And so I have some work to do to it. So I just thought I'd take you along on the journey. So let's take a tour of the inside. This is downstairs. When you come in, there's a reception area with a curved desk. Down below there, you can see there's a curved desk on there. And then if you go in and take a right, there's an office right here. A little work to do in here, getting those blinds straightened out. And then through this other, down the hallway and through this other doorway, there is a half bath. We've got a little work to do in here. That's the water heater behind there. So I need to probably put a little door on this opening here where the water heater lives. It's got a sink and a toilet in here. And then there's another office. A little bit smaller than the first. And we've got the air handling room. This is the air handler just for the office. And then right next to that is a closet. The drywall is finished on the top, and on the bottom it looks like it's been replaced. So I'll probably be having a look behind there to see if there's anything suspicious going on. They left us about a dozen extra tiles. Not crazy about this tile, but it's nice to have extras. And that's all the office space, but then this door here leads into the high bay, or into the workshop. It has these big, I think it's sodium vapor lights, I'm not sure, but they take a long time to come on. So I've already turned them on and they're starting to warm up. All the stuff in here is going to be gone in a few days. The seller asked if he could just leave it here, and I said sure. But there's our 3 roll-up doors, and behind these 2 you have quite a bit of room all the way to the other far wall. And then behind this first door there's actually a room that's been built out. There's no door on it, so I've got a little bit of work to do here, and there's no light in it, so I'll be putting a light in there. There's a switch, but no light, it's wired. And then above that little storage room there's a loft up there with stairs going up here. So that doesn't have a light either. I'm gonna put an LED, those long bulbs, you know, like the fluorescent lights, but LED up there. And you can see there's a wire up there, and there's a switch down here at the bottom. So I just need to put that in. And also there's no railing across here, so if someone were to step off of that, they would fall 8 feet at least. So I need to put a railing up there, so I got some stuff to do in there. I'm hoping to coat this entire floor with epoxy. So that'll be a lot of work cleaning the floor, especially we've got a stain over here. Not sure how I'm going to get that up, but I'll have to clean the floor really well and then etch it with acid and then put the epoxy down. And it's going to take quite a bit, I imagine, for this many square feet. And I'm going to do the same in here in this shop area. This is going to be where I store my tools, and I'll put a door on here that I can lock. Then I won't have to worry about the tools being as exposed. So let's go back outside and go upstairs. So the only access to the upstairs apartment is going around the right side of the building. There are some steps here, and if you look real close, there are a lot of warpage going on, and these have been here since 2006, so I think it's probably time to put a new surface on the deck. The post and everything look like they're probably okay, but we'll check all that out. We also have a a downspout that's routed right into the sidewalk, and you see how it's eaten away the concrete. So I'll be wanting to reroute that. I think what I'll do is just run it out this way under the sidewalk, straight out the front, and over there is a it's kind of a depression, but it has a drain right about there that goes off into the woods to the stream. So there's a drain taking all this water off. So I'll probably route this guy across out to the little, like a retention pond kind of area with the drain in the bottom, and run it on out. So going up the stairs, they feel solid. They don't look very good, but they feel solid under my feet. I don't feel any give, so that's good. The seller was nice enough to paint the whole place inside, so I shouldn't have to worry about paint. Okay, this is a little bizarre. When you come in the door, there should be a light switch right here, but it's not. It's back here on the other side of the door. So I may move that. I don't know. We'll see. And then here's the apartment. We've got a nice kitchen. All the appliances work, all the ones that are present. And there's plenty of room. They left a table and chairs for us. And we've got a laundry room right here. And they left lots of paint for us, so we can touch up the paint if we need to. And left a furniture dolly, which I really appreciate. And I have no idea what that wire thing is. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments. But I think I'll put a washer and dryer in here as soon as I'm able to. He left us a table and chairs, I think I mentioned. And then there's actually a guest bathroom for this little tiny apartment. And it's just a half bath. And I have a few things to do in here. I want to figure out a way to cover this up. The plumbing comes in there. You can see the plumbing's coming out of this wall and into the sink area. So they just made a little spacer there. This right here is this metal beam for the metal building. So they had to frame around it and drywall around it. So also down in the bottom there, you probably can't see it on the video, but down in the bottom are the parts to the toilet paper holder. So I need to put that back together. Also, all the toilet valves are old. I'm going to replace the valves in all the toilets. There's a plunger in every bathroom. That's not encouraging, but hopefully I can get that worked out. And then here's the single bedroom that comes with this apartment. Got a loose light up there I'm going to have to fix. It's probably just a matter of getting some clips sorted out and getting it stuck back in. And then there's a master bathroom with a double sink, toilet, and a tub and shower. So this is the only bathing facility in the building right now. I may do something downstairs sometime, I don't know. And then there's a full walk-in closet, which is a pretty nice size for a small apartment like this. And that's pretty much the whole thing. We've got blinds with the little rat nest cords, so I'm gonna try to straighten that out, shorten those, shorten the blinds. So I'll show all that in later videos as I get that done. So that's the whole thing, and hope you enjoyed the tour, and I hope that you'll stick with me and subscribe, and you can watch as I transform this into a livable space.